This is my Crosman Phantom Hunter .177 caliber break barrel pellet rifle. Come with a camouflage looking polymer stock. Anyways, it's same stock. I've mentioned this before as the Crosman Red Tail. I'm shooting the Crosman Premier hollow point pellets, and I'm shooting at 12 yards. I'm going to show you the shot group I got shooting free-handed. I wasn't using the bench. I had a lot of practice shots, you know, but right here is a 10-shot group. Okay, this is my 10th shot up there, that top one. So, pretty good. This is 15 yards right here. This center one right there. And then I did the deer one. I got one over here, but the rest of them went right there. That's 15 yards. And then, let's see. Yeah, that's it. So that's pretty good, you know, third day. It was a refurbished rifle from Crosman. I got it through MidwayUSA.com for $46. Then next week I bought 2 more. They're still coming. They'll arrive on Wednesday. I got those for $36 on clearance. So altogether I paid, let's see, 72 plus 46 is 78, $108 plus shipping costs for 3 Crosman rifles, and one rifle normally sells for like about 130. So I got a pretty good deal. I got the Phantom for or the Red Tail, I mean, for $69. So I got a good deal on that too. All right.